Hi students, Ron Denault here, your instructor for this course. During the semester, you're going to be required to create some flowcharts, okay? I mentioned that in my first video, which I want you to watch before this. It's called Flowchart Symbols. After you've watched that, you can watch this one. Now, I know there's several programs available for diagram design. Probably the most popular and most common one you've heard of is Visio, Microsoft Visio. Kind of pricey. If you happen to have that program and want to use it for this course, please feel free to do so. I personally have it. I will be able to open up your Visio files without any problem. Another option is you could use Microsoft Word. They also have a symbols section where you can drag and drop all of the flowchart symbols into a Word document and play with them there. A little bit harder to manage, and I would prefer that you don't use Microsoft Word. I'm going to ask students that don't have Visio and don't want to pay for Visio because it's kind of pricey, to use draw.io. So as you can see, what I did is I went to a browser and typed in draw.io. It'll bring you to this software program, ask you a few questions. I won't ask you for your name or any personal information at all. It'll only ask you where you want to save your files, and I always choose I'll decide later. So once you get past those first few questions, it'll bring you to this. It'll be empty here, okay, to this first one. And then I choose flowchart. As you can see, you have several options here, and you can add options. There's tons of different options that draw.io provides for you. But I scroll down to flowcharts and open up that, expand that to show the diagrams here, and you can drag and draw. Now, I just made a simple one here. This one includes a module. As you can see, the module is called Display Address Info. And the module is internal. In other words, the information for that module is displayed here. So when it calls this module, it's going to output the ABC Manufacturing, 47 Park Street, Omro, Wisconsin, with the zip code, okay? And then it'll move on to the next one, output the customer's name, output the total balance, which is what you inputted here, okay, in the process. All right, so you input the name and balance here. I'm sorry. This is the input-output statement. Okay, so I'm not going to go over how you do each one of these symbols. Obviously, you drag them in, you draw the flow line connecting them, and you'll be able to figure all of this out. I will just say one thing. There's 3 different output statements here. So if you select one of them, right-click, copy, and then right-click, paste here, it'll do the same one. You can drag it here and just change some of the text, so that might make it a little bit easier for you, okay? All right, I'm going to stop this video here, and I'm going to create another video that shows you how to add text to a flowchart file so that you can include your pseudocode on this page right here, or you can add a second page, and you can call this page flowchart, this page pseudocode, and include your pseudocode on the second page if you wish, okay? So I'm going to stop this video here. Thanks for watching.